Have you deleted a post or message on Instagram that you wish you could get back? Just the other day, I accidentally deleted a post that had a special meaning to me and I thought it was lost forever. But after some few research, I've discovered a way to recover deleted data on Instagram. And on this episode, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted data on Instagram. I'm going to provide you with two different methods. On your phone, navigate to your Play Store and make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Then after that, proceed to open. On the bottom right corner, locate your profile icon, then click it. On the top right corner, locate the three ellipses and tap on it. Then proceed to locate your activity. Then you need to scroll down till you locate recently deleted and tap on it. On this interface, when you delete a post, stories or IGTV video or any reels, it will show up here and you will be able to restore it back to your account. With the second method, navigate to your profile again on the bottom right corner. Then on the top right corner, locate the three ellipses and drop it. Then proceed to locate your activity. Then you need to scroll down till you locate download your information. On this interface, proceed to provide your email address and then request download. So what it does is Instagram will send you a copy of your deleted photos, comment, profile information and any other things that you have deleted into your email and you'll be able to access it there. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like and share it to your family and friends. If you have any comment, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.